In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access shared drives in Google Workspace offline. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. To begin with, the first thing you want to do is head over to Google. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing Google into the search bar, or simply input google.com and hit enter. Once you're on the Google homepage, the next step is to locate the Google Apps icon, often referred to as the waffle icon. It's that small grid of dots usually found in the upper right corner of the page. Give that a click. From there you'll see a drop down menu displaying a range of Google applications. Now go ahead and click on Google Drive. This is where all your personal and shared drives reside. Once Google Drive is open, direct your attention towards the top right of the screen again. You should see a gear icon which represents the settings menu. Click on the gear icon to open the settings menu. After opening settings, look for an option labeled offline. Clicking on it will navigate you to a section dedicated to offline settings. Google has made this quite intuitive, so it shouldn't be too hard to find. Here comes the crucial step. You will see a checkbox that allows you to enable offline functionality. By ticking this box, you trigger Google Drive to start syncing your files locally on your device, allowing access to these files without internet connectivity. It might take a few minutes for everything to sync, especially if you have a substantial amount of data. Google manages these operations quite efficiently, but the time can vary depending on the number of files and your internet speed. Once the sync is complete, you'll be able to open and edit your documents, sheets and slides, even if you're offline. So there you have it. You are now set up to access your shared drives offline whenever you need them. This nifty feature means you can always stay on top of your work, no matter your location. Remember though, whenever you reconnect to the internet, any changes you've made will automatically sync with Google Drive, keeping everything up to date. I hope this guide was clear and helpful for you, and that it enhances your productivity when working offline. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.